Hello friends, I will show you how to clip a layer, how to clip a feature in ArcGIS Pro. So uh, you can see I added a layer of transportation. So in transportation layer there are primary roads, secondary roads and local roads, railroads, etc. So I will clip all of those. Okay, so here is my county layer, this is my border, so I clip this layer so that the layer will be in this within this county. So let's start. So first of all, go to the analysis, then pairwise clip. You go select pairwise clip tools. This is very important tools. So input, first of all I will do railroads, then clip your county. This is my county, and you can change your output name, then select click run. So this is already clipped. This is the black line is my railroads, and the yellow line, orange line is my secondary road. If you zoom in, you can see the local roads. These are the green roads. The green line are local roads. So now I will clip the secondary road. Okay, I will clip the local roads 72k. Then it will be the same my county. Then I can change my rename it local route. Then click run. Okay, my local road is already clipped. Then I will clip secondary road. Okay, secondary. Okay, so my clipping is done. So now I will turn off my previous layer, so I can see the current layer that is already clipped. So the green layer is my local roads, and the orange lines are secondary road or interstate road, and the black line is the dot black line is my railroads. So there are two railroads in this county, and there are another railroads in this county. So you can see the layer. So by using pairwise clip you can clip anything in ArcGIS Pro. Thank you.